Well, it's strawberry season, and one of my favorite strawberry recipes is the fast, easy strawberry pie. First, let me show you our berries that we're working with. We have a Driscoll strawberry that's packed 8 1-pounders to a case, and we have our Markon first crop strawberries that are packed 2 4-pound. And for today's recipe, each of these cases will yield you 4 pies. We're gonna start by getting our pie shell ready. Now, if you're not making your pie shell from scratch, that's okay. These Chef Pierre frozen products are a great shortcut. First, we're gonna start off by thawing it for 10 minutes from frozen, then docking it, and then we will cook this, bake it off in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next up, we're gonna prep our strawberries. Now, I've gone ahead and rinsed and topped these in advance. So now what you're gonna do is with your 2 pounds of strawberries that go in this recipe, the first pound, you're gonna quarter and set aside because these are gonna be used for your pie filling. After you get your pound cut down for your filling, you're gonna cut the other pound in half. These are the ones we're gonna leave raw inside the pie shell. Let's get started on our pie filling. So first, we're gonna take that 1 pound of quartered strawberries and we're gonna dump those in a saucepan. And we're gonna add to that 1/4 cup of sugar. And we're gonna cook that on a medium. This is gonna take about 15 minutes while all the water starts to release. So stir them and mash them up as you go. So we've got our strawberries cooking down at a medium heat for the filling. Now we're gonna start working on our slurry. In our slurry, we have a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water, and then recipe calls for 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And give it a good whisk. Okay, it looks like our strawberries have reduced down to a good place. I'm gonna go ahead and add in that slurry. We're gonna let this cook for about 3 to 5 more minutes. Now it's time to set this pie up for success. I've started layering the first layer of our halved strawberries. I like to do them flat side down, just for grip. Okay, so we've got our half berries all loaded in this pie shell, ready to be topped with our pie filling. I'm just gonna gently spoon it on in there, ease on in it, find its happy place. Now we're gonna pop it in the cooler and let it chill out for about an hour. So our pie has had time to chill out. Now we're gonna top it. Now I've got this riches on top in a piping bag here, and I'm just gonna start in the center and work my way out and around until this is nice and full. All set, just lacking one thing. Those beautiful berry right on top. And there you have it, fast, easy, fresh, delicious strawberry pie.